In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert your SPayLater balance into cash. While Shopee doesn't allow direct cash withdrawal, there's a smart workaround that many users follow. First, find a trusted Shopee seller or friend who accepts SPayLater payments. Make sure they're reliable and understand the process. Next, buy a low-risk product from them using SPayLater at checkout. Once the order is confirmed, ask the seller not to ship the item. After a day or two, they can mark the order as delivered. Once marked complete, the seller can transfer the equivalent cash amount to your bank account or mobile wallet. Just remember, this is an informal method, so only do it with someone you trust. Alternatively, some users buy Shopee Pay top-up vouchers or mobile loads using SPayLater, then sell or transfer those for cash. Be cautious. Shopee discourages this method, so don't overuse it or violate their terms. If this video helped you convert SPayLater to cash, please like and subscribe for more smart digital money tips. Thanks for watching.